So I recently got back from Las Vegas with my son, and I actually made money while I was there. Hey, I'm just an average guy trying to make $100,000 online only using things like Amazon and YouTube, and I'm posting about it every day until I do. And yesterday on Amazon and my 3 monetized YouTube channels, I made $92. No, I made $74.40. That brings my average over 165 days to $92.24. And that brings my total over 165 days to $15,219.66. So even while I was in Las Vegas, I still made money like this. It was passive income. I didn't make any product review videos. That's how I make all this money. I just was there enjoying time with my son, and I didn't lose money gambling. So I want to talk a little bit about that while I was in Vegas. Hey, so I've spent the last week in Las Vegas and haven't lost a dime. You don't have to lose money if you go to Las Vegas. So I came here on a trip with my son. We're doing some high-tech stuff, going to various places like the Sphere, Electric Playhouse, Omega Mart, all kinds of fun, just technology-based, some VR stuff. It's just been a lot of fun. But I haven't spent a single penny on a slot machine. I haven't sat down at a poker table or a blackjack table, and I just haven't lost any money doing these kinds of things, because the thing is, you don't have to go to Las Vegas for these reasons. Now, I know that some people go to Las Vegas to do exactly these kinds of things, but if you don't want to lose money and still enjoy all the different things that Vegas has to offer, you can totally do that. Another thing that I haven't lost money on while here in Vegas is things like drinking. Alcohol is crazy expensive, and you don't have to lose all kinds of money when you go to Vegas and just honestly not even remember your time in Vegas. So I haven't spent any money on alcohol. Another thing that you notice when you walk around Vegas is that there's always a stench of marijuana. Haven't spent any money on that either. You really can go to Las Vegas and not lose a whole bunch of money. You really can go to Las Vegas and just enjoy all kinds of other things. So for your next trip, whether Las Vegas or somewhere else, make it your goal not to lose a whole bunch of money, but even to make money. Now, Las Vegas was expensive. We did spend a lot of money on hotels and food and entertainment and all kinds of things. But honestly, all the things that we spent money on were just normal vacation things. So I say that I went to Las Vegas and actually made money. Of course, we lost money overall because of vacation things, but we didn't spend any money gambling. We didn't spend any money on alcohol or extravagant shows and things that you oftentimes think about Las Vegas for. We just did normal things. And because of my online businesses, I actually continue to make money in the background. Not a lot, but a little bit. And it adds up over time. And if I can do it, you can do it too. I'm just an average guy.